So guys, now we will talk about while cycle. What does it mean? We have a for cycle and now we have a while cycle. So it means we have two types of cycle, for cycle and while cycle. So what's the difference? Now we will speak about the main structure, okay, some basics about while cycle, and on next videos you will see how to use it, okay, and what's the difference between while and for cycle. So now while cycle, what is going on? So at first, usually you have some variable. Usually in connection with while cycle, we call it control variable, okay? So, and now I will write the while cycle. So we have a keyword, while. Now, after the while, there is a condition. So I will write something like this, for example, okay? Now there is a colon, like after if, for cycle, and so on. So now be careful, column. And now you need to write here what is going on. So I will print something really easy. I am X cycle of while. Okay, and now, so what is going on now? So X is 0. Okay, now 0 is maybe 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is. So it's true, right? So, and after the while, when this condition is true, so it means this code will run. So the content of the while, the code in while will run. So we will print it. I am 0 cycle of while. Okay, and now it goes again. So X is still 0, right? 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is. Print. Again, 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is. Print. And so on and so on. I hope you understand. So now what does it mean if I will run it? It means that this cycle never ends. Okay? It will goes again, and so on. So it's never ending cycle. So I will run it only for fun. And you can see it's still going on. Okay? It continue. So I will kill the terminal. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that we have to do something with X. Okay, so usually you go here and just make a X plus, for example, 1 or 2. It's up to you. Okay, so this is a long code, and you maybe remember that we can write a short code. So these two lines are exactly the same. So short code is better because it's more professional, but you can use this code or this code. It's up to you. So now, what does it mean? X is 0, right? So 0 is less than 3. Yes, it is. Print I am 0 cycle of while. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So we will store the 1 in X. So X isn't 0, is 1. 1 is less than 3, right? It's true? Yes, it's true. So this will run again. So we will print it, and X is 1. So 1 plus 1 is number 2, right? So number 2 is stored here. So 2 is less than 3. Yes, it is. Print. 2 plus 1 is how many? 3. And we will store it in X. So now 3 is less than 3. No, it isn't. So it's false. So it ends. Okay, the while cycle will end. I hope you understand. So now I will run it. You can see I am 0 cycle of while, I am first cycle of while, I am second cycle of while. So the third isn't here because 3 is less than 3. It's false. So it stopped the while cycle. Okay. Now we need to speak again about indentation. So it means indentation is very important here. You can see some spaces here. So it means everything what is indented. So it means it's a part of the while cycle. So for example, I will print here, we are going on. So we are continue. Okay. And now if I will run it, so you can see that print isn't the part of the while cycle. It's after the while cycle because it's not indented. Okay. It's goes like this. So I will run it and you can see it. We are going on and it's in the end and it's printed only once. I hope you understand. So now if I will indent, it means it's a part of the while cycle. Okay, so it means if print this, x is plus 1 and store in x, and print we are going on, and so on. Again, print this, and run this. Okay, so I will run it. You can see I am 0 cycle of while, we are going on. I am first cycle of the while, we are going on. I am second cycle, or second cycle of while, we are going on. Okay, so indentation is very important. This isn't part of the while cycle, this is. Okay, I hope you understand. So now this is the main structure of the while cycle, and you will see how to use it in a real code in the next videos.